Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to learn Python coding easily full guide. Begin by setting a clear goal, like building a small app or automating a task, then break it into tiny steps. Spend short focus sessions each day writing code, reading examples, and debugging patiently. Use interactive tutorials, playgrounds, and beginner projects to stay motivated while tracking progress. Choose a learning path that moves from basics to projects and commit small weekly milestones. Start with variables, control flow, and lists, then add functions, classes, and modules in steps. Build tiny projects like a calculator or data cleaner to connect concepts. Read and adapt code from tutorials to learn style and best practices while keeping sessions short and consistent. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum handles cleaning with voice control, so you can code uninterrupted and stay focused. It's a neat way to reclaim time for practice without breaking concentration. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pick tools that lower friction and let you run code fast, like VS Code or Jupyter notebooks. Combine courses, documentation, and coding challenges to practice diverse skills and solidify learning. Participate in forums or study groups to ask questions and receive feedback on your projects. Keep a simple portfolio of small projects to show progress and motivate continued practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.